channel where we teach you candlesticks on indicators also, and we also teach you when to enter trade and so on. But today I want to take you on how to identify a support zone and a resistance zone. Now there's this easy method I use. Support is just a down zone where gives an happy hand for an uptrend candle to go up. For instance, where candle is shorting, for the red candle, assuming the red candle means short, is shorting, and there's an attach of this gray candle, and from there's a boom up. So that place becomes a support because the red candle could not break there, and it assists the next candle forming went up. So likewise, resistance on top, where the green candle could not break and the red candle is formed and start going down, becomes what? A resistance. So those are the two definition of support and resistance. So I will be explaining it to you right away so that you will understand what it means and how to go about it. Okay, so first let me mark look at what happened in this place. There is a support there for you to push forward. Look at what happened here. There is a resistance here for you to come down. Now this resistance helped the current the next candle to come down a bit, which brought him down to this side. Now breaking this resistance shows that BTC has strength to move up. That is, Bitcoin has strength to move up. Now I'm going to be circling it for you. Okay, I think let me use 4-hour time frame so that you understand it better. Excuse me. Now this is it. Look here, this is a support because the candle could not break this place, it could not break this particular place, and it could not break also this very good support here. Now if I want to rule this support, if I want to rule this my support zone, for instance, I want to rule my support zone, I'll just start. Please, I'll use it. Okay, let me use indicator drawing for it. I will just start. Let me get my triangle, my rectangle rather. I will just start, bring it here, take it here, now you see this is a support zone. The candle could not easily break it, rather it gives the gray candle strength to go up. Look at what all play out here. All this is just a movement to go up. All this is just a movement to go up. Now BTC broke the first support zone, which is at this place, the first resistance zone rather, which is at this place. Now wherever this candle form and gives an helping hand to dip, to short, check that place, there is a resistance there. Now look at another resistance here. So let me use it to give another color. This is another resistance zone. I will also tell you the important, one of the major important of this, understanding your resistance zone, is to understand when to enter market. When a candle could not break a resistance zone and form a new candle below the resistance or the support, you don't need to go on a particular direction again. You have to go on the reverse. For instance, this BTC as it as is longing, you discover that he has broken this current support zone here. This current support zone here of this candle, he has broken it. And breaking it, shows that the candle is going up. That is why you see there's more momentum for this candle to go up more. All right, so if BTC finally comes down and the next candle form here, that is a sign to short. That is the purpose of understanding resistance and support. When a candle could not break that support at that time, it needs an extra force to break it. So that is where the risk come in. But however, it's a sign to tell you that that support or resistance is very strong. Go to the opposite direction. If BTC drops and comes to this place and could not break this barrier here, what I will just do, I will just quickly go in along BTC. Now, this is a barrier before this one was formed. The support for this one was formed. Now, this one becomes immediate support. So, if I really want to set my resistance zone, I will set it with this. Did you get it now? So, this is where I am seeing a push-up for BTC. Now, there are many other support and resistance zones. This is another resistance zone. If you see, it gave a support for it to drop. Did you get? I will keep showing you more resistance and support zone. This is another one. It gives a resistance for it to long. So that is just it. This is another one. This is another one. Excuse me, please. So this is how to understand your resistance and support zone. I believe this video found you well. Whenever a candle, the current candlestick is unable to break the major resistance of that place, expect a retrace from that place. I repeat, when a candle is going up and there is a resistance, just like the way I marked this place 26,590 as a major resistance, if BTC breaks down back, in other words, I'm telling you that there is a strong pull there. But for now, BTC has break that place. BTC has break here and formed the next candle above here. So the major place now is here. So let's check the resistance that is holding BTC from longing. Let's check. Let me go to daily time frame and use it to check, because of daily and weekly will help me to check for the next resistance there. According to daily, this is a resistance here, one, but I believe there are stronger resistance. So let me just use the horizontal line to mark there first. But there is something holding BTC not to move forward for now. There is something holding BTC not to move forward, and we will definitely get that. Okay, I'm coming, please. I'm trying to see why BTC is finding it difficult to break that place, because I perceive there is a strong resistance there that BTC need help on to break actually. So as soon as we get there, let me check monthly to confirm my analysis. This is how you do your analysis so that you not make mistake. This is how you do your analysis. Now look here. Monthly says, look here, the resistance came from monthly, which is this particular line we drew from 4 hours. That is what is stopping BTC from going through. So that has served as a resistance for BTC. Did you get it now? So you know, support, when you break down and the thing wants to trace back up, that place, that support you break becomes a resistance to you. So until you have the strength to break it, then it becomes a support again. So that is how it is. So this is serving as a strong resistance for this current candle. And if BTC breaks it, BTC is going far. If BTC can break 27,196, BTC will long more. BTC will long more. That is just BTC will long more to almost, according to monthly time frame, almost 30,500. So we'll be waiting for that. Let's just keep looking. All right, guys, that is all I have for you on how to underline your support and your resistance zone. Thanks. God bless you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit on the notification bell, drop your comment in the comment section. Thank you.